Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I'll be using the same 22-word phrases that start with how from the previous video. I'll be adding 不 to each of the two-word phrases so that you can use them easily in your daily life conversations when you want to express phrases that are negative. 不 means do not or not. 不瘦 means not thin. 不胖 means not fat. 不肥 means not fat. 不近 means not near. 不远 means not far. 不乱 means not messy. 不真 means not real. 不假 means not fake. 不强 means not strong or not capable. 不弱 means not weak. 不壮 means not fit. 不晕 means not dizzy. 不稳 means not steady or not stable. 不痒 means not itchy. 不疼 means not painful. 不困 means not sleepy. 不渴 means not thirsty. 不疯 means not crazy. 不好 means no or not good. 还没好 means not done or not completed. Now is quiz time. What do you say when you are not done, not ready, or you have not completed something? You can say 还没好. What do you say if someone asks you 好不好? Yes or no? You can say 好的 if you agree or want to help the person do something, or you can say 不好 if you disagree or do not want to help the person do something. What do you say if you want to say that the location is not far or not near? You can say 不远 when you want to say not far, and you can say 不近 if you want to say not near. What do you say if you want to say that someone or something is not strong or not weak? You can say 不强 if it's not strong, and 不弱 if it's not weak. What do you say if someone asks you 渴不渴? Are you thirsty or not? You can say 渴 if you are thirsty, 不渴 if you are not thirsty, and 好渴 if you are so thirsty. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint. Click on the video on the right for the previous video. Click on the video on the left for the compilation on 100 phrases that start with 不.